Hey everyone, come closer for a story of transformation, all thanks to my new running smartwatch. Last month, I was having a hard time figuring out whether to push myself or take it easy until I discovered this incredible Forerunner 965. It's not just any smartwatch, it's like having a personal coach on your wrist. From the moment I strap it on, I get a readiness score based on my sleep and recovery, guiding my day's intensity right from the get-go. Imagine having a coach that knows when you should go hard or rest up. It's like a game changer for every training decision. This smartwatch features full color mapping, whether I'm navigating city streets or riding on tricky trails, keeping me right on track without missing a beat. This smartwatch features no more getting lost or second-guessing routes. Plus, it's there every step of the way with race adaptive training plans. Got a marathon coming up? Simply enter your race details, and it crafts a tailored plan, complete with daily workouts and time predictions, helping you achieve every goal with confidence. Got a marathon coming up? Simply enter. It's not just a gadget. It's a key to unlocking a more informed and effective fitness routine. It's not just a gadget. Whether you're training for a marathon, exploring new paths, or just maintaining your pace, this watch adapts seamlessly to your needs. It's reliable, packed with features, and offers unmatched insight, making it indispensable for any athlete. If you're ready for a transformation in your training experience, this is your moment. Get your Forerunner 965 today and witness the shift in your workouts and well-being like never before. Get your Forerunner 965 today, feel the difference, trust the guidance, and dive into your fitness journey fully equipped. Order yours now and redefine your run. Order yours